Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to be showing you Pacbrake's new Bravo Series wireless air controllers. So, Pacbrake sent us their new Bravo Series wireless air controller. We have done a wireless air control video for you before install on these, and Pacbrake, is all manufacturers are always improving on their product line, and they've come out with this new Bravo series, and I really want to focus on the one thing that makes the Bravo series different from any of the other air control series that they have, is the Series 425 compressor. This air compressor setup, this is the real deal. I mean, it really is. When I grabbed this unit out of the box, as soon as I picked it up, I knew, I said, they've really made something super heavy duty here. And it's really nice right now in the light duty market, because there's a lot of stuff that we run into in the aftermarket as a whole that just as soon as you pick it up, you're like, you know what, this is not gonna be a lifetime product. It's going to do its function, but it might not be what I would consider a lifetime product. You pick this up and you know you've picked something up that's going to give you years and years of service just from the weight and the overall construction of the product. It really blew me away how well designed this was. So let's get into some of the specifics of it. Again, I'm going to focus on the 425 compressor because that is the big dog on the block air compressor for you out there in these air controllers. So obviously this is a wireless setup. So you've got your 425 compressor, and then you've got your newly designed air manifold that is on this setup. This is a billet aluminum setup, and it's got left and right controllers on it. You've got Pacbrake's electronic controller for that. Now, this is a wireless air control setup, so Pacbrake does offer an app to control this setup as well. And really slick on the app. You've seen us use the app before in other install videos. They've done a really good job on their app. It's super easy to use, and you know, it's just a really nice wireless controller. One less thing that you've got to install in the cabs of these $100,000 trucks. You know, even though aftermarket does a good job of the presentation of those, it's just really nice not to have to drill a daggone hole in a dash of a $100,000 truck. So super nice kit. Mounting of this air compressor kit. So this is all one unit. So obviously you've got your manifold here, you've got the controller here, and the compressor here. This is already mounted, already put together when you take it out of the box from Pacbrake. This is their quick mount system. So what it comes with is it comes with two plates here for mounting, and also with two U-bolts. The kit is going to be designed to mount on the frame rail. That's what they've given you here. But as we know, in a lot of today's modern trucks, we're running out of room on the frame rails for mounting. You know, we've got different systems that are mounting along the frame rail of these trucks. So you can really mount this kit just about anywhere that you want to. The kit is very robust. It is 100% waterproof as well. Even though this comes with these U-bolts with it, and it's really the best option or the main option that they've given you from Pacbrake to mount this is frame rail. These bars will allow you to pretty much mount the kit, you know, anywhere that you want to. So you can get creative with this if you want to put this in a toolbox in the back of the truck, as long as it's got a good air supply to it, so you can bring air into the compressor. You know, you can get creative with that. So mounting is really nice if you just want to use frame rail and you've got room on the frame rail. Really quick and easy mount. Honestly, you could have this thing mounted and plumbed in and running, you know, in an hour if you've already got existing bags on the truck and you want to tie this into that. With the compressor itself, it comes with Pacbrake's new wiring harness, and they've really done a lot of updates on their wiring harnesses here for the Bravo series. Really nice wiring harness, very robust, really nice connectors on it. So it plays in with the overall theme of this compressor, which is just toughness, really robust kit. Then the kit comes with its other ancillary parts. You've got your intake air filter here, tube cutters, some more ancillary stuff for the lines, and all of your air lines here are push to lock or push to connect lines. So if you already got existing airbags on your truck and you want to upgrade to a wireless air controller, you can just buy this as this unit itself with the air compressor, the wiring harness, and everything you need to mount it, and just hook it onto the truck and go. So it's just a really nice upgrade for you. If you've got a truck at home and you're thinking about buying this as a gift for an upgrade for your significant other for their truck, they would be ecstatic with this. This would be an awesome upgrade. All right, so what Pacbrake did when they sent us this kit, and something that we've been talking to Pacbrake directly about, is doing some kitting with their products. Now, you can buy this as, again, a standalone compressor just ready to go, or you can buy this with a compressor with some accessories with it. I'm gonna go through those accessories. And then they've got those accessories kitted together, which are actually 3 parts to the accessories, but they're a different kit. So Pacbrake can't kit everything together as a whole, because you've got so many different platforms and so many different things that you can add to an air system if you decide to put an air system on your vehicle. The kit that Pacbrake sent to us comes with the wireless air controller and everything you need there, wiring harness, but it also comes with our accessories here. It came with the half-gallon tank from Pacbrake here. They have come up with a new water separator system that comes with a solenoid and then the filter itself for the water filtration from the air supply. And then they've got their accessory kit. We've seen this in a lot of different Pacbrake kits. This is just a really nice bag. It's got an air hose in it, blow nozzle, air chuck. So gives you the ability to use this air compressor as a tool for you on your truck. It'd be, you know, super handy to air up a tire, whatever that you need to do. So that's what comes in this kit when you buy the compressor with these 3 accessories together. You don't have to buy that if you've got these things on your truck already and you just want to buy this really nice compressor setup, put it on your truck. You can buy it by itself as well. Another accessory that you might consider adding to your kit is the wireless controller from Pacbrake here. This is a touch screen controller, really nice. If you decide that, hey, I just don't want to run on the app, I'm tired of apps, you know, I want a nice remote, that's what they've given you here. It's almost a phone functionality with this thing. It's totally touchscreen like you're used to with your phone. You can control your airbags with this as well. This little remote is no joke either. It is a very nice remote. It's not one of these things that you'll throw in the cab of the truck and lose. You'll know when you pick it up that they've put a lot of thought and a lot of design into that. The 425 compressor is awesome. I told you I was going to say that multiple times in this video. This is a really nice compressor. This is a 150 psi capable compressor. It'll run 100 psi at 100% duty cycle. Waterproof. This is the real deal. So this is the real deal. And brand new series out from Pacbrake. So if you're looking to if you're right out of the gate, this is where you're going to start. You're going to need the airbags for your truck as well. The airbags for your specific platform will be available to you, but they will be separate from this kit. So you will have to choose your airbags from that carefully. We would tell you to consider Pacbrake airbags as well. They make an excellent airbag for the truck. And I tell you, airbags, if you've never ridden in a vehicle with airbags and you do a lot of towing, load control is something that if you put a set of airbags on and try it out, or ride in a buddy's truck that's got it, I promise you'll put one on your truck and you'll never look back. It is a 100% different game. 100% different game. Even on the trucks, these 450 and 550 trucks that we're seeing out here now, it just makes it even that much sweeter. So just a really nice kit from Pacbrake. I think they've knocked this one out of the park. We are going to be installing this on one of the trucks here at the shop. Haven't picked a platform yet. We'll figure that out in the coming weeks, and then we'll get this installed and show you full functionality of the app, of the wireless controller, of the air compressor, and everything that comes along with it. So again, big shout out to Pacbrake and a big thank you to them for sending us this kit. We think that this Bravo series is going to be a real hit for them, and we're excited about getting this installed on a truck. So if you've got any questions about Pacbrake or anything else, just give us a call. We appreciate you watching.